Let's take up next type of reactions. In this unit, we will be studying addition reactions, combustion reactions, directive influence of a functional group, carcinogenicity, and toxicity. We are taking addition reactions. Aromatic hydrocarbons like benzene, toluene can undergo addition reactions. For example, this reaction, benzene reacts with hydrogen in the presence of nickel as a catalyst. On heating, we get cyclohexane. All the three double bonds have been broken and each carbon has got one hydrogen. So benzene was C6H6, now it has become C6H12. The name of the compound is cyclohexane. So benzene on addition with hydrogen forms cyclohexane. Another addition reaction we are taking halogenation of benzene. Benzene reacts with chlorine in the presence of sunlight or ultraviolet light or at 500 Kelvin. Addition reaction takes place, means all the double bonds will be removed and 6 chlorine atom will be added. So this compound is called benzene hexachloride, BHC. It is used as insecticide. It is also called gamexine. It is also called lindane or 666 because it contains 6 carbon atoms, 6 chlorine atoms, and 6 hydrogen atoms. That's why it is called 666. It is widely used as insecticide. So this is the addition product of benzene. That benzene, when undergoes addition reaction with chlorine in the presence of sunlight, we get benzene hexachloride. IUPAC name of this product is 1,2,3,4,5,6 hexachlorocyclohexane. Next, we are taking combustion reaction. Benzene undergoes combustion in excess of oxygen to form carbon dioxide and water. Benzene burns with sooty flame because it contains, or smoky flame. Sooty means smoky flame because it contains large percentage of carbon. In general equation, CXHY reacts with X plus Y by 4 O2 gives you XCO2 plus Y by 2 H2O. This general equation will help you in balancing of equation where complete combustion takes place. Next, most important, we are going to take up directive influence of a functional group in the monosubstituted benzene. Its meaning is that the incoming electrophile will attack at ortho para position or meta position will depend upon which group is already present on benzene ring. If electron releasing group is present on the benzene ring, it will be ortho and para directing. Let's take up the example. This is phenol. In phenol, oxygen has lone pair of electrons. This lone pair is taking part in double bond formation. This pi electron shifts to this position. This ortho position we will have negative charge, and here we get double bond, and oxygen will acquire positive charge because it has donated a pair of electron, and negative charge comes at ortho position. Now what happens? This negative charge takes part in formation of double bond and pair of electron shifts to para position. Next, the pair of electron from para position shifts to ortho position again and double bond shifts back to this position. So we get this double bond, and here we have got negatively charged and with a pair of electron. So this pair of electron takes part in pi bond formation. This pi electrons breaks and lone pair goes back to oxygen, and we get phenol with the alternate position of double bonds. So these are resonating structures of phenol. In these structures, 3 out of 5 structures we find electron density is maximum at ortho and para position. Therefore, electrophilic substitution reaction will take place at ortho position, ortho and para position. Para isomer will be formed to a little more extent because it is more stable due to less repulsion. In case of aryl halides, halogens are moderately deactivating because they are more electronegative than carbon. So because of their strong negative inductive effect, overall electron density on benzene ring decreases. It makes further substitution difficult. However, due to positive resonance effect, that is lone pair of halogens can be donated to benzene ring, electron density on ortho and para position is greater than meta position. Therefore, in spite of that chlorine halogens are electron withdrawing, but still they are ortho and para directing because of positive resonance effect. and resonance effect is dominating over inductive effect. Meta-directing groups are nitro, cyano, aldehyde, this is ketone, carboxylic acid, esters, and sulfonic acid are meta-directing groups are deactivating groups. They decrease the reactivity of benzene ring towards electrophilic substitution reaction. Let's take up example of meta-directing group, that is nitrobenzene. In nitrobenzene, this pi electron takes part in double bond formation. So this pi electron will shift to oxygen, so that oxygen has got 3 pair of electrons and a negative charge. Here double bond is formed and this is a coordinate bond. Now ortho position will have positive charge this time, because pair of electron have shifted to from the benzene ring towards nitrogen. Nitrogen is more electronegative and oxygen is more electronegative than nitrogen. That's why the pi electrons have shifted to oxygen. So nitro group is acting as electron withdrawing due to minus I effect and minus R effect. Now this pair of electron takes part in double bond formation. Positive charge comes at para position. Remaining structure remains the same and double bonds become parallel to each other. The next position, these pi electrons will shift to this position, so that positive charge comes at ortho position again, and this nitro group remains as it is. In last structure, this pair of electron takes part in double bond formation, so this pi electron shifts back to form its double bond again, and we get nitrobenzene with the alternate structure to the first structure. Now these resonating structures show that since there is positive charge at ortho and para position, so the electrophile will not attack ortho and para position, rather it will attack meta position. So all electron withdrawing groups are meta directing, that is incoming electrophile will attack at meta position, which will be the major product. These groups are also called deactivating groups. The electron density on ortho and para position is comparatively less than that the meta position, hence the electrophile attacks on comparatively electron-rich meta position, resulting in meta substitution. Last topic is carcinogenicity and toxicity. Benzene and polynuclear hydrocarbons containing more than 2 benzene rings fused together are toxic and said to possess cancer-causing or carcinogenic properties. Such polynuclear hydrocarbons are formed on incomplete combustion of organic materials like tobacco, coal, petroleum. They enter into human body and undergoes various biochemical reactions and finally damage DNA and cause cancer. Some of the carcinogenic hydrocarbons are given below. So these are cancer causing polynuclear aromatic hydrocarbons which are formed by incomplete combustion of tobacco, coal and petroleum, and that is the reason nobody should use tobacco for smoking, eating or any other purpose, so that they can prevent themselves from cancer. This compound is 1,2-benzanthracene. This position is 1, this is first position, second. So 1 and 2 position benzene ring is attached, so it is called 1,2-benzanthracene. This compound is 3-methylcloanthrene, and this compound is 1,2-benzpyrene. Here it is 1,2,5,6-dibenzanthracene. Here we have 9,10-dimethyl 1,2-benzanthracene. So all these compounds are toxic and cancer causing, and they are formed by incomplete combustion of tobacco, coal and petroleum. So we must restrict the use of coal and petroleum, so that these hydrocarbons which are formed by incomplete combustion, they are not released into atmosphere and do not create problem for the human beings, because they may cause cancer. That completes this chapter.